Hi, it's great that you're interested in Camfil and our filters. We've been dedicated to clean air solutions since 1963 and invest heavily in research and development. To be able to produce best-in-class products, we rigorously test our filters and their parts. And to make sure they're always up to standard, we combine the use of state-of-the-art technical equipment and the knowledge and expertise of the people in our worldwide organization. The filters may not look like much from the outside, but there's a lot more on the inside, and some things are harder to get through than others. Here are the reasons why. Absolute was the very first filter manufactured by Camfil. This was 50 years ago, when no other high-performing products existed to protect people and processes from dangerous particles. Today, we will show you parts of the production in Sweden, but we also produce Absolute filters in many other Camfil factories in Asia, the Americas and Europe. Since the Absolute range is HEPA classified and designed for use in demanding conditions, nothing is left to chance. That's why we build all the machinery ourselves and rigorously test every part. Even before we start production of one of our filters, we do thorough research into the environment in which it will operate. Our quality control starts before production begins. We pre-test the raw material, or the filter media as we call it. We choose the best raw material to get the highest quality. Only the best media is good enough. Come along and see for yourself how it's done. The first step is the pleater. It's built in our own facility here in Sweden. Here you can decide the number of pleats and the width and thickness of the finished filter. We can produce any filter exactly to your specifications. Pretty impressive, isn't it? The next step in the process is the framing. Here you can see how we glue the filter onto your specified frame. It can be wood, plastic or metal. It is vital to get the exact amount of glue onto the frame, leaving no areas where particles can squeeze through. If you want a filter with high reliability, you have to be really meticulous with all these operations. When the glue has dried, it's time to test the filter. The whole Absolute range is rigorously tested in accordance with strict standards. Here you see an example from our own patented scanner. We blow a large quantity of particles through the filter from below and count the number that actually succeed in getting through. Not that many if you produce an Absolute filter. Most filters are delivered with a gasket, and to eliminate the risk of leakage, we use a one-piece seamless polymer gasket. And that just about completes the production process. Only the final check is left. Now it's time to apply the inspection sticker and pack the filter. Our aim is to protect your people and processes from dangerous particles. That's why we take no chances when building the most reliable filters in the world. And that's what we mean by some things are harder to get through than others.